Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone and getting straight into settings. Make sure your battery is above 20% so no interruptions. Unlock the device and open settings now. If you prefer speed, tap the search field and enter Voice or Smart to jump to relevant menus. This reduces guesswork because Vivo often nests voice features under Smart or Convenience settings. Once you see matching options, pause here and choose the one labeled Voice Control, Voice Assistant, or Smart Wake Up so you can proceed to turn it off. Now that you're in the right area, carefully scan for Voice Wake, Voice Control, or Accessibility Voice settings. Vivo sometimes lists voice features in Smart Assistants or System settings. Tap the main voice entry to reveal toggles and permission details. This is important because turning off one toggle may leave other related features active. You want to disable Voice Wake and any always listening permissions. Make sure to check microphone and accessibility permissions too, since they can re-enable speech features if left granted. Finish by switching off Voice Wake, Voice Control, and any remaining toggles. After that, tap Permissions and revoke microphone or accessibility access related to the voice feature. This ensures the assistant won't listen or activate accidentally. Once done, test quickly by saying the wake phrase or performing the gesture you used before. Nothing should respond. If voice still triggers, reboot the phone and recheck the same toggles. Sometimes changes need a restart to fully apply. That reboot usually resolves lingering activation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.